As you can see, it looks real good. The back, I put a trailer hitch, class 3 trailer hitch. That's simple too. It was only $100. I think it's the Curtis class 3 hitch. $100 on Amazon. Your holes are already drilled in the frame with nuts welded on the other side, so it takes, 10 minutes to install. And same on this side. It looks good. I get complimented on it every day. Everybody thinks it looks sharp. There's the front grille. I did paint the front grille. It was chrome. It just didn't look right with the black piece down below and the chrome grille. I think it looks better. Like I said, I'm running the 285 65 18s. You can see also I'm running the American Racing wheels. There's the running boards. So yeah, like I said, it looks good. I'm complimented on it every day. So any questions, I'll post a video here, and any questions, let me know, guys. Thanks. See you later.